Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Christmas Sangria. This is what St. Nick drinks, okay? After you come back from dropping off your gifts, this is what he drinks. Orange slices. Follow that up with some apple slices. Beautiful. And then come behind that with some cranberries. Beautiful little cranberries, okay? See, Christmassy. The cranberries are really the Christmas part. Kind of, but we're not done yet. Rosemary. You see what I'm saying? Now tell me that in Christmas colors, okay? Trust me. You know what I mean? I can't stop saying you know what I mean. Okay, now we're fortifying with some vodka. A lot of sangrias out there, you just use wine, maybe a little mix of some soda water. We hit ours with vodka. Why? Because we need stuff stronger. We're adults, damn it. Come behind that with some white wine, and this is a new year, okay? This new year is gonna be hard, so we got to start it fresh. Then follow it up with some white cranberry juice. You could use the red one if you don't have white. A little bit of simple syrup to sweeten. That's totally up to you. Simple syrup's optional. Because some of you don't like sugar, you know. Tipsy Bartender, we live for sugar. It's part of our diet. A little ginger ale on top. Beautiful. If you don't have ginger ale, go with some soda water. It's fine. And then we pour in that delicious mix.